What's up, everybody? We're gonna teach some people some stuff today. So, my wife had a flat tire on her car.
It wasn't completely flat.
Well, it was close to being flat, so she had to air it up herself because I was not home. I was working, and she told me after airing it up, she's like, it really felt good. Like I felt like a man because I aired the tire up. So
I had to open the garage and turn the air compressor on too.
She probably just got all riled up over holding a big hose or something there. But anyway, so she's got to plug his tire. It's got a foreign object in it. We're going to teach her the steps and let her fix her own tire. So stay tuned. All right, so step one, everybody needs a rag. So you got to... All right, we're getting there. Step two, locate the foreign object.
Right here.
She has found the foreign object. All right, step three, remove foreign object. Grab your channel locks there.
Just pull it?
Yeah.
Aren't these needle nose?
Yeah, they are. Is it leaking too bad?
You can hear it.
Yeah, a little bit, not bad. All right, get your ramrodder, lube her up with some tire stuff there. This is the fun part now. You're gonna ease the head of that into that hole. Let me move my freaking finger.
Where'd it go?
Right there. You're gonna push it in there now. Push. Come on. Yeah, it's not as easy as it looks, is it? Oh.
Ow. Punched the thing.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. All right, now ramrod that in and out. Go, in and out.
I don't have...
In and out, real fast. Hell yeah, girl, get it. Come on now, get it. Get it. All right, now we're just playing with it. All right, leave that inserted. Smell the...
It's oozing.
Now you got to smell the tire. What the hell do you smell the tire for? That's not a step. 4, you get your plugs.
And it matches my car.
Yeah, that's not intended. We're going to use 8-inch long big truck tire plugs because that's what we have around here. So I already helped her get it on because that part can be frustrating. So, all right, step 16. You're going to pull this out. It ain't spewing a lot of air, but when you do, hold on, not yet. I'm going to put a little bit of this tire stuff on. Go ahead and pull it out. We'll put a little bit of this compound on it. All right, get ready to ram that in there.
Now?
Yep.
Just go straight, huh?
Yeah. It takes some effort. Oh, sheesh. In a little bit deeper. All right, now twist it. Twist it. Now pull out gently, see if it'll release. Yeah, come on. Come on with it.
You told me to do easy.
Come on with it. Ugh. Felt good, didn't it?
Oh, yeah. I felt like a man.
Oh, my God. All right, step 32. Take your needle nose.
That are Mac tools.
Those aren't needle nose.
No, they're not.
Not flush. Give it a little bit of room. I like to leave it stick out a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah. Cut that off. There's a little wire in there. That's what all that gunk's held onto. Come on now, cut it.
I am.
You make a Mac look bad. John's going to be after you here in a minute. Here, cut one at a time.
I did. I thought I cut that one.
No, you got both of them. Look, see both of them? There. No.
I see it.
One at a time.
Damn it.
You're killing me here, kid.
You're killing me.
Does this make you feel like a man?
Yeah.
All right, I ain't got water. We're just going to use soap. Anything. See any bubbles?
No.
You want to lick it?
Not today.
That's step 42.
I'm okay.
Okay, whatever. All right, check your tire pressure, and you successfully plugged a tire. Okay, ain't got nothing to say. I thought it'd be kind of a happy moment where we'd be like, hell yeah, but
I am happy.
yeah, I cut the